Darcy, I thought he'd run down the beach and take all the stuff away from
Yeah, right? How are you? Nice to see you. Excited to be here. Thank you. Thank you very much. Whew. When I was first walking up the beach too, there was a bunch of, I guess they were black-tipped sharks, but they were circling like right over there, a little further out. And there was a guy swimming in the water right by the tip over there, and the guy started yelling at him, "Get out of the water, shark!"
I have one tarpon roll here.
All right, let's go, fish. It's hitting it. Oh, hit it again. That's 3 taps now. There he is. Yay! Hooked up. All right, bringing in the first fish. What we got? What we got? Oh, it's a nice one. Big, big whiting. Heck yeah. All right, so like we said, we're out here with Paul Spurko this morning, and we are already slaying fish. We got a beautiful sunrise, beautiful conditions, beautiful morning on the beach, and they're about to close the beaches tomorrow because of the holiday weekend and because of COVID. But I just caught a really nice whiting.
Nice whiting.
Heck yeah. That is a nice fish sandwich right there. All right, just gonna cast it right back out, and I'm literally casting it like within 20 feet in front of me. It's pretty wild, but these fish are sitting right here in the trough. So just cast it out, let it sit in the bottom. Oh, he's already there, just like that. That was seconds. Now I'm in a school of them. Another nice whiting.
Nice
oh, it's a croaker. Ooh, croaker are so yummy. You guys see me use these for snook bait a lot, but they're also gonna be excellent to eat. So we are just catching up a ton of fish already, having a blast. Thank you. And you can see here that we're using fish bites, and I'll link all this information down below, but this is fish bites in the bloodworm color with a tiny number 6 J hook. You can see right there, mustad J hook. And then we're also tipping it with a little piece of shrimp. And you want to have little tiny pieces. You see, you cut the pieces very small so the whiting and croaker can fit it in their mouth. And these fish are